Emmy Rossum is an American actress and singer who is best known for her role in the film The Phantom of the Opera. Emmy has been part of a numerous television series and movies in her life. Early life. Emmanuelle Greu, Emmy Rossum, commonly known as Emmy Rossum, was born on September 12, 1986 in Manhattan, New York. She was raised by a single mother. Her parents got separated when her mother was pregnant. She is the only child, and her mother, Sherul Roẓẓum, was a corporate photographer. Emmy Rossum was passionate about music at a very early age, and by the age of 7, she became the member of the Metrorolіtаn Ореrا Shіldrеn'ձ Сhоruẓ. Through her hard work, she got an opportunity to perform on the stage with some notable and famous opera singers. One of the interesting things about her is she can sing opera in 20 different languages. Emmy was showing interest in acting at a very early age. To pursue her dream of acting, she started taking classes with fellow talent Greenberg at the New Actors Workshop. Emmy Rossum did her schooling at Span School in Manhattan. Later, she got her high school diploma from Stanford University education program and then graduated from Columbia University. Personal life. Emmy Rossum was married to Justin Siegel, a music executive for a year. But for some reason, they always presented themselves as unmarried. After a year, Justin filed a divorce due to their personal difference, and the following year, couple got divorced. After the divorce, she started dating Counting Crows frontman Adam Duritz, but soon the couples were separated. Emmy Rossum was single for quite a long time, but then she met Sam Esmail, a writer and a director. The couple dated for quite a long time and got engaged. Recently in 2017, Emmy and Sam tied a knot and are happy in their married life. Age, height and weight. Being born on 12 September 1986, Emmy Rossum is 35 years old as of today's date, 8th February 2022. Her height is 1.73 meter tall and weight is 55 kg. Career. Emmy Rossum made her career debut by appearing in a guest role in the television series Law and Order. She then worked in the made-for-TV movies Genius. Her performance was uploaded by a lot of people and gained plenty of positive criticism of her acting. Awards and achievement. Emmy Rossum is a cute and also a very talented young lady. Her biggest achievement in the entertainment industry would be winning the Shudran Award. She is also the winner of the Young Hollywood Award. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, the estimated net worth of Emmy Rossum is approximately $14 million. Her entire net worth is the result of the efforts she put into the entertainment industry. Emmy Rossum is a gorgeous brunt who was done very well in professional life. Her recent performances got her the attention of millions of fans around a globe. She recently got married and enjoying her newly married life with her husband.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on